Na na
Let's
na
wait
na
for Lola.
na. Okay. That's the Ashfield Apartments. Hindi ko na na-check kung nakalock yung likod, yung garahe. Hindi nakalock naman siguro yan.
Sana may bata dito na lumabas na
Oo nga.
siya. Naka-short, naka-t-shirt.
Let me tour pa.
Oh, uwak.
Pero dito ya, dito man mga girls man.
Oh, doon sa piyak may mga girls. Yan siya. Wow, they're barbecuing. Saya naman yan.
No, not sure ready for that, kiddo.
You're not ready for that, kiddo?
Watermelon. I have a watermelon vitamins.
Yes.
Watermelon. I have a watermelon.
Yes, I think. Da, 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 da. Okay, that's the mailbox. Tapos may parang trash bin ba yan? I think. Yeah. Tremonton Terrace. Affordable 2 and 3 bedroom units. Ayan. Tapos na more mailbox. More houses. Halos pare-pareho lang ng layout yung mga bahay dito. I
There's
think
so many
it's
houses. So we can go back to next.
I think it's the same developer, maybe. I think.
No.
Yeah. Yeah.
Siguro na.
Okay. I'll stop the video na muna dito.
Cool.
Okay.
Not
Ayan, so we just crossed the street.
No, not sure.
More housing, more houses.
There's another house here. So
Tapos, right up ahead, that's where you see the freeway. The highway. Hindi ko alam po anong pangalan ng street ng highway nila. Pero that's the freeway going to Brigham, Logan, Ogden.
let's find a house. I don't know what her name, but I really like her name.
Yeah.
Sharon or Doc
Sharon. Yun si Sister Sharon.
Sister. I don't know what her name. Because or I don't know what her name.
I don't know what her name. Magliko na kami dito, ma.
Dito
Okay.
haba-haba siya.
And this is where you see McDonald's, Wendy's, Hampton Inn.
No, not sure we're ready for that.
Yeah. Yeah, Rocky Mountains. Yes, that's our view every day. So nice. Parang postcard. Buong palibot ng Utah, I think. Looks like that. Okay.
We're almost done with the
Tow
Hey,
trucks.
What's my name? I don't know what's
You forgot your
Dad.
teacher's name. Okay.
to my teacher at the Sunday school.
Okay.
Let's visit today.
Tow truck.
Maybe they drive us around so we can drive anything. I like that car. Oh, that's good. I like red.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't know where the
Wendy's. Okay.
Mataas pa rin araw. Ano?
Okay. That's a nice view. Bye.
Let's go visit to the house with my name at the teacher at the
Bye.
Sunday school.